I came to a conclusion that I don't know why I am going to cry. What's wrong with me? Oh my god. It was a tissue paper I need some. I am so mad at myself. I am so mad with myself. Why do I have to feel bad for someone? Like, why? It's like about everything. I see a guy or a girl, it can be a girl, that is trying to speak or gain attention, like try to talk to someone, but they ignored him. And I feel so sad. I don't know why. And it's funny because my brother, he's such a nice person. And it's funny because this happened to, like, with all my family. With my dad, my mom, my brother. I'm so sorry. I look ugly right now. And like, my brother just did a Facebook group, like a group chat, and he had so many people. And not like, before my brother saying anything, somebody left the chat room, and then he write something and say, "Hey everyone, how was your day?" or "How was your first day?" I don't know. And like 7 people left the group chat. He still have like 30 something. A few people saw the comment, but nobody commented. I feel so bad. I didn't know what to say, so I just thumbs up his message, you know, to at least let him know that I'm here. And I'm like thinking all this, like, what is the reason for this chat? Like, I feel like texting him, "Hey, you'd make a chat. What was the reason for the chat?" And like, nobody answered him, and I feel bad, you know. And I just, like, my brother's such a nice person. Like, he is so nice. He's such a great person. And I feel bad when people ignore him or ignore anybody that I know. I feel really bad. I don't know why I'm crying. Oh my god. And you know what? This is the same, like, I felt like this as well when I was watching a video, a Stranger Thing, and I forgot his name. I'm probably gonna put it anyways so you guys can see it. So he goes there very confident, trying to ask one of the girls, or the girls, out to dance, and all of them ignored him. And I felt so sad. I was like, why? He's so cute and nice. Why? Like, I felt so bad. I just wanted to hug him and say, "Hey, I'm Karen. I'm probably not as hot and skinny as the other girl, but you are so cute. Like, would you like to talk or dance or laugh?" Like, I will even pretend that I just fell down on the floor. So, you know, I don't know. I felt so bad watching that. And yeah, and it happened to my dad also. Like sometimes I'm looking at my dad and he's like, "Oh, because I want to do this and that." And or sometimes he's trying to talk, and then, like, he make this face, like, his face is like, he's natural. It's not like a face of sadness, but it's very natural. And I look at him and I feel like, oh, man, I feel so bad for you. And probably that sounds so bad, right? Like, people really don't like other people feeling bad for them. He's like, "Dad, I feel bad for you." He's like, "Why?" "Because of this and that." It's like, don't feel bad for that. Don't feel bad for me. Like, I'm okay with it. He actually is okay with it, but I make it seem like so, like, sad, so bad. I hate myself. I hate myself. I hate myself. Like, I felt so bad because nobody talked to my brother. Come on, why am I feeling this bad? I hate myself. I really wish I wasn't like this because I am very sentimental and like I am very like I have never met no one in my entire life that would just cry because someone didn't answer them. And that happens to me a lot. Like sometimes I want to talk or I talk and people ignore me and I feel bad because I try to talk and nobody wants to listen to me. So maybe it's because nobody listened to me and I feel bad because of those people that are going through that happens to them and they really don't care, but maybe I feel like so bad because nobody's listening to me. So I feel bad because they're going what I'm going through, they're happening to them, but it's so completely different because they don't really care and I do. Like I don't know. I don't know. All I know is that I hate myself for feeling bad for someone. And it's just, probably it's not like my friend, it's not only my family, it can happen to the people I don't really know or friends. It just happened like that. And I see a guy sitting by himself and so lonely, or a guy that is trying to talk and nobody listens to them, or I don't know, something happens to them and somebody start laughing or start saying stuff about that person. I don't know that person, but I feel sad because why? So, and after this video, I'm probably gonna go back to my chat and look at that comment again because it's so nice. He just asked, hey guys, how was your day? Why nobody will answer him? Why am I crying? Oh my god. Look at my eyes, they look horrible. What the heck? Bye guys, I'm gonna go take a shower. And I need to stop thinking about that message. Like, why? I don't know. Bye guys, take care, have a nice day, God bless you all, and keep moving forward. Bye.